Very, very much excited. Is it so? Why you are so much excited today? Okay, now yes, I know the excitement is for what? Today you will go to watch movie in your senior wing, MGM High Secondary School. Okay, now see, Children's Film Festival is being celebrated in different schools throughout India. Okay, so MGM High Secondary School is also organizing this festival in their school. So from different schools, so many children will be visiting MGM High Secondary School for watching various interesting movies. Okay, so today is your turn. You will go over there. Now, I will ask you some questions. Are you ready to give me the answer? Yeah! Okay, so I come to you and I ask you some questions. Okay, I'm coming to you. Tell me one thing I want to tell you before asking the question. Beta, this is not the way to shout here. If everybody will shout together, we can't listen. So the answer which you know, you will have to? Yeah, you will have to raise your hand for answering any kind of question. And it is my request, Babu, please don't shout and don't make noise. Okay, so the first question is, now hands down, I have not yet asked any question. The first question is, where you will be going to watch the movie?
We go to see the movie in MGM Higher Secondary School.
Fantastic, come on, give a clap. Yes. Which is better. Just now for first question, all of you have shouted together. I don't want this thing. Please don't shout together. Simply raise your hand, I will come to you. Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Spider-Man.
Oh, fantastic! Fantastic, okay. Yes, come on, give a big round of applause. For Gaurav. Yes. You are Gaurav now? Yeah. Okay, very good. And, yes. The next question is, why you are raising your hand? I have not yet asked question. Okay. The next question is, will you be going to study in MGM High Secondary School? Okay, why? Now I am asking why. Why you want to go to MGM High Secondary School? For study?
For watching movie.
Only for watching movie you will go?
No, for playing too.
For playing too, okay. And any other activity you want to do over there? Any other activity you want to do over there?
No.
Only playing and watching movie, okay, very good. Come on, give a big round of applause. Yeah. Yes. So before going to MGM High Secondary School, today in your class, okay, today one more question. Today for one more reason you are very much happy. One is you are going to watch movie in MGM High Secondary School. Another reason, who will tell me that you are very much happy? Another reason. Yes, I am coming to you. Why you are happy?
I am going to
Okay. Do you know about the activity?
What activity?
Picture composition.
Oh, okay. You will be getting the information from your teacher afterwards. Okay. Now, this much for today. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you.
Where we all are going? Paridhi, where we all are going?
We all are going to MGM school.
MGM Higher Secondary School, yes?
Yes.
So are you happy?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Children, hands back, please.
Why is it like that? It's not you.
Move.
And honey food, and spring rain, and yummy berries, and soft grass of and sweet water,